How do you convert your sitemap to a LLM's text format for all the AI optimized search engine? So this is what I'm going to show you today. It's not very complicated. It's a 3-step process and it starts on this app. So I created a very simple app. And here, as you can see, I can import my sitemap.xml. So what I need to do also is put a real website, although I don't think it's working. And once I did that, I checked the settings. I think my website has a little bit more than 100 pages, so I will put 200 pages. Speed is good, full length, and I click convert. When it's clicked, it will just go through my sitemap and extract all my content. So right now, I will just be quiet. And we're done. So, as you saw, it's pretty long process, 6 minutes, and I get my file ready, 150 page. Everything is according to the best practices for generating the LLM's file. So now I have two options: either I can copy or download the LLM's site, and here it is. So I can quickly open it, have a look. Everything seems alright at first see. As you can see, it goes quite far. So almost all the content is scrapped and you can get easily everything you need. And this will help LLMs to understand your website, understand your content, and what we hope is to appear on the search result with your AI search result. So now that I have that file, I will just upload it to my Webflow website. So here I'm on my Webflow site and I'm going to the assets. So here what I do next is I'm going to my Finder, download, and I drag and drop my file, and that's it. So now the step 2 is done. My file is on my Webflow site, and what I have to do now is just copy the link, because this is what we will deliver when someone will request the llms.txt pass. So what I do next is the third step, and the last one. I'm going to my site settings. I'm going to publishing, and I will create a redirect. So for that, I'm just going here. I add one redirect, which is the old path, which will be tag llms.txt, and redirect to the Webflow whoosh add pass. And that's it. Redirect saved, publish your site, and it will take effect. So now what I have to do is just publish my site, and I'm almost done. Because the last step is to check if the website is delivering at llms.txt. And here it is. It's working. Everything is fine. And now I have the full confidence that my website is ready for the new wave of search optimization. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have questions down below.